Alright, what's going on, yo? I got a problem, right? My car seems to not be starting. I don't know if it's because of the auto start I got on it that's stopping the car from starting manually or what. But this is what happens when I put the key in the ignition. Look. I turn it on, but I'm not going to start it. And then when I try to start it, this what happens. You see? I'm trying to start it. Nothing, it turns off. Does anybody know why it does that? See, I turn it on. Then I try to start it. It turns off. Anybody know what the problem with that is? If you do, please let me know. Thank you very much.